Hey, this is Connor from the team at Knock. Today I'm excited to walk through broadcasts. Broadcasts enable you to send one-time messages to your users across any channel in Knock. Whether you're announcing a new feature, alerting users about system maintenance, or driving feature adoption, broadcasts let you create thoughtful cross-channel messaging sequences that reach users where they are. Unlike traditional workflows that trigger based on events in your product, broadcasts are scheduled to send once for a defined audience. After you've created a broadcast, you'll select the recipients that you want to send to. You can either upload a CSV of users or select an existing audience that you've created in Knock, and that you synced users to using a reverse ETL tool or directly through our API. After selecting recipients, you can edit the content of your broadcast. Under the hood, broadcasts use the same workflow engine that you're familiar with workflows. This lets you build sophisticated cross-channel one-time messaging. After editing the content for your broadcast, then you select when you want to send it. You can either send it immediately or at a later date and time. For the purpose of this demo, I'll send it immediately. I'll click Review and Send and just double check that I've entered everything correctly and go ahead and send this broadcast. Messages created by broadcasts are like any other messages in Knock. You get visibility into message logs as well as the runs for each recipient. All messages sent by Knock include our built-in engagement tracking, and all broadcast data is streamed into any downstream extensions you have configured with Knock, like data warehouses or analytics tools. We're also excited to announce one new feature associated with this, that is commercial preferences and one-click unsubscribe. To stay compliant with regulations like CAN-SPAM and the Canadian anti-spam law, you can set a broadcast or a workflow as commercial. This gives users the ability to one-click opt out of any future commercial messaging sent with Knock. When a commercial message is sent to your users, it'll include a one-click unsubscribe link automatically. Users that opt out of commercial messaging will no longer receive those messages. Non-commercial workflows and broadcasts will continue to follow your existing preferences model. We're excited to see how you use broadcast and our commercial preferences and appreciate any feedback that you might have. Thanks, and Knock on.